Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, now we'll do one more problem based on the concept of sequencing. The whole concept again revolves around the priority methods. There is one new method called as the critical rule method. Let's first read the problem and then try to solve the problem. The following jobs have to be shipped a week from now. A week has 5 working days. So we have got jobs A, B, C, D, E and F, and the number of days work remaining is 247653. Sequence the jobs according to the priority established by least slack rule, critical ratio rule, longest processing time and the shortest processing time. Under this method, we'll first calculate the difference between the time available and the time due date. Now, slack can be defined as the difference between number of days till the due date, that is the time available, and the duration of the work remaining. So for A, the slack will be 5 minus 2, 3. For B, it will be 5 minus 4, 1. For C, it will be 5 minus 7, minus 2. For D, it will be 5 minus 6, minus 1. For E, it will be 5 minus 5, 0. And for F, it will be 5 minus 3, that is 2. So we can see clearly that the lowest slack or no slack is available for jobs C and D. C में ऑलरेडी हमारे पास 2 दिन कम है, D में हमारे पास 1 दिन कम है, तो हम सबसे पहले प्लेस करेंगे जॉब C को जिसका सबसे लोवेस्ट स्लैक है. So here will be my job sequence and the slack. सबसे lowest -2 है, so job C will be the first job, then -1, job D will be the second job, then 0, so job E will be my third job, then 1, job B will be my fourth job, then 2, job F will be my fifth job, and then 3, job A will be my last job. So based on the least slack rule, I will say that the sequence will be C, D, E, B, F and A. Now the second method they have asked us is called as the critical ratio rule. Now critical ratio is nothing but the time available upon time required. जितना ये रेशियो हाई होगा उतना आपके पास टाइम कम रहेगा. Let's first find out the ratios. So we'll calculate the critical ratio first. I have the jobs from A to F. Lower the ratio, more critical will be that particular operation because we will have lower time. Now based on this I can give the ranks. Rather than giving the ranks, I'll directly decide the sequence. First we'll write the comment. So based on that my sequence will be, first I will place job C, then job D, then job E, then job B, job F and जॉब ए. जॉब ए का क्रिटिकल रेशियो सबसे हाई है, मतलब वहां पे हमारे पास बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम है तो हम उसको सबसे लास्ट में करेंगे. So this was based on the critical ratio. The third method they have discussed is called as the longest processing time. Under this method, under the longest processing time, we give the first preference to those particular operations which take the highest time. Whereas under the last method, there is the shortest processing time, we go exactly vice versa. That is, those operations or jobs which take the lowest time are given the first preference. Let's work out the calculations for C and D options. सो अंडर लॉन्गेस्ट प्रोसेसिंग टाइम मेरा सबसे ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है सी को, तो माय जॉब सीक्वेंस विल बी टू स्टार्ट विद एक्टिविटी सी. द टाइम टू कंप्लीट द वर्क इज 7 days. Then next will be job D, 6 days. Next will be job E, 5 days. Next will be job B, 4 days. Next will be job F, 3 days, and last will be job A, which will take 2 days. Next we have the fourth method, that is shortest processing time. It will be exactly the reverse of what we did earlier under the longest processing time. We will select that job as the first job or the first priority which is taking the lowest time. So based on the above solution, I can say job A will take the lowest time. Seven. So you can see the sequence is exactly reverse of C, D, E, B, F, A. Here we have A, F, B, E, D and C. So this is the method of deciding the sequence based on the shortest processing time. So friends, these are the methods we discussed, the four method. The one new method we discussed in this problem was the critical ratio method. अंडर क्रिटिकल रेशियो मेथड आप उसी प्रोसेस को या उसी जॉब को पहले सेलेक्ट करो जिसका रेशियो सबसे कम होगा. जितना रेशियो लोअर होगा उतना वहां पे टाइम कम मिलेगा, and therefore those jobs or those processes should be done first. We saw the four methods. I hope you got these two problems, problem number 6 and problem number 7, based on the sequencing and based on the 4 priority methods or the 5 priority methods, first come first serve method, longest processing time method, shortest processing time method, critical ratio method, and then there was one more method called as the critical ratio rule method. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel Ekeeda.